Hi, before getting into the meat of this course, there's one thing I want to point out, and that's my firm advice about not skipping any of the sections that follow. I know you're anxious to get to the networking part of the course and start building some cool network apps from scratch. In fact, some of your colleagues have asked me over the years, why do I put so much emphasis on the Python core concepts and skills like data types, conditionals, loops, functions, modules, and so on before discussing the network applications? Well, my guess is that you don't just want to go through the course real quick, have a bit of fun while building the network applications, and then never be able to build your own scripts when you need them. Therefore, you need to understand and practice alongside me each of the Python concepts that I'm going to teach starting with the next video without skipping any videos or sections. Only then you will be able to understand 100% of the code inside the network applications in the second half of the course. Actually, let me provide you with a quick preview of the Python code that you're going to need in order to perform the most basic network operation, the ping. So this is the code right here. I assume that this code can be kind of overwhelming for you as a beginner, and this is just basic coding compared to what you're going to learn and play with in the second half of the course. This basic Python script does nothing more than to just ping an IP address and return the echo reply code, also suppressing any unnecessary output. However, as basic as this code actually is, there are many concepts here that you need to understand and practice before starting to write any network scripts. So, writing this script implies knowing the following concepts, which I teach down below in the course: importing a module, built-in versus custom modules, variables, strings, methods, string formatting, arguments, and basic functions and function calls. Consequently, for larger applications, you need to master even more concepts and skills that you can find down below as well. Of course, I could have just scratched the surface of the basic Python concepts and then just throw tons of Python scripts and applications at you without you understanding the real meaning of the code, or how can you modify the code in order to enhance it and adjust it according to your needs. But that's not why I created this course. I really want you to learn Python 3 from scratch up to an intermediate level, and only then attempt to build your own tools and applications in order to truly understand and master the code that you are going to write. So I hope you're going to enjoy my approach and teaching style, and if you need any help with the Python concepts and syntax below, please post a question and I will be happy to help.